After an explosion tore through the basement of that complex.
Yeah, that was a rough day. Amidst all the darkness of that day there was an entire community that rallied around the residents of those apartments who lost everything. Earlier today, WBM's Cheyenne Corinne, who's had continuing coverage of the explosion since it happened, visited the American Red Cross's Disaster Assistance Center to see how those families are getting the help that they need.
So it's been almost a week since the Friendly Garden Apartments explosion, but the community, they're still coming together to help these families impacted get their lives back on track.
My friend's child was actually burnt, so it's just really terrible. It's really sad. This is unfortunate. I've been in this neighborhood for a very long time, and I've never seen anything like this, but it's definitely impacted the whole neighborhood.
Since the explosion, the Disaster Relief Center and community partners, such as the Manna Food Center, have come together to provide displaced residents with meals, personal items, and resources. Kazim Carr has lived here for 5 years and currently is staying with his parents, but says not everyone has that same luxury.
Some people have to stay in hotels and they get reimbursed, but we don't really have money like that to where we can, shell out for a hotel room, for days on end, weeks on end.
Patrick Campbell leads the county's Health and Human Services Emergency Response Program and says one of the biggest challenges will be finding the displaced residents affordable housing inside the Capitol Beltway. But he can confirm that all of the families from the primary affected building have made it to the center and received significant financial aid already.
Now we're furthering reaching out to more families to see what they need, moving more families to hotel. And then some of it is saying, okay, how do we get them into a new place? Because really recovery begins when we get them in a new home, right? When they're back in something that's safe, something that's furnished, something where they feel comfortable.
The county also said that some of those displaced residents are likely to move to Paddington Square Apartments, which is right across the street. I'm reporting in Montgomery County, Maryland. I'm Cheyenne Corinne for WDVM 25.
Thank you, Cheyenne. So right now, 124 adults and 36 children are displaced. And tomorrow, there will be a structural engineer on the scene. We'll keep you updated on those results.